So where do the products come from if it's not AliExpress? I'm going to explain the whole dropship fulfillment process and how agents work and all that so I don't ever have to explain it again. And the information I'm giving you is coming from somebody that does over $500,000 a month with their dropshipping store, $551,000 in the last 30 days. So if I were you, I would be saving this video because I already know you're definitely going to want to come back to it later. First things first, let's start here on AliExpress. Now keep in mind, again, you're not shipping any products directly from AliExpress. You're simply using AliExpress as a catalog to see what you can source from China. Let's say, for example, you want to sell this product right here. You would simply take this product, import it over to your Shopify store, and then connect with a private agent, and the private agent would be doing the fulfillment for you. Now let's move over to the whiteboard so I can break this down, how AliExpress works and where a lot of people get confused. So here's the typical customer. What they do is they go and look at AliExpress and they're looking on DHgate for products that they want to buy. What they don't realize is all the different products that are on AliExpress and DHgate are simply by vendors, which these are the vendors right here. They don't actually manufacture the product. They actually buy from the factory. So technically these vendors are drop shipping. And they're using AliExpress and DHgate and other websites as a marketplace to host the products that they're sourcing from the factory to sell to the consumer, direct to consumer, DTC. So now I'm going to show you how the dropshipping fulfillment process works. So you start by browsing on AliExpress for a product. And again, you're using AliExpress simply as a catalog to peek inside the world of what's produced in China. You find products from AliExpress and put them on your store, okay? Customer comes and buys products from your online store because you're running ads on TikTok, you're running ads on Facebook, etc. When the customer places an order on your website, that information gets passed over to the agent via an ERP. And don't worry about an ERP because it's simply just an app and it's all handled on the back end. You don't have to do anything. The agent then has all the information about what the customer ordered and where they're shipping the product to, so the agent then goes and places an order with the factory. The factory then turns around and sends the item directly to the agent, and this takes about 2 to 3 days. Then your agent will quality control the item and then ship the item out directly to the customer, and this can take between 5 to 12 days. And that's exactly how the dropship fulfillment process works. You're not using AliExpress to ship orders, you're using it simply as a catalog to see what you can source from these factories, and your agent's going to handle all the fulfillment for you, and it's done automatically. It's very simple. If you want more information on how to do this step by step, go click the link in my Instagram bio, click right here, and you're going to get free access to my dropshipping course that covers everything A to Z.